Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly a new report that came out in 4.6.29.005, and we're looking at 006 here. And underneath reports, more reports, we're going to go to Lube Service. We see one called Lube Service Reminders with multiple criteria. And so here you can actually choose to print out the reminders list for lube services for just specific items that you want to choose. So if you wanted to look for only everything at a specific location, try Rockcliffe. So we can see here that this report, it's in landscape. And then you can also sort these reports by days to go, hours to go, or miles to go, kilometers or miles to go, or the sort order of the equipment. And you can make these criteria, you can use them in combination with each other. So if you wanted to see all of the Rockcliffe, everything for Rockcliffe for a specific equipment type, let's try truck tractor down here. And so now we have the 3 truck tractors that are due for service, and we can see that it's sorted right now by the equipment number. If I wanted to look at miles to go, so it's going to put the most due at the top or the past due at the top. So we click preview here, and we can see here that the most past due one is up at the top here. It's whatever, 197,000 miles past due and so forth. Close that. And so you can basically use various criteria to see just the equipment you want to look at and then go take care of it. And as far as what's going to show up on this list, we go over here to the reminders pop-up form, and then we go to edit how soon to be notified. And you can see right now on this particular database it's set to show you 365 days. So that's going to show you everything that's due in the next year. But typically from us it comes 10 days before it's due, so it would only show you the items that are coming up due in the next 10 days. And that's how you set that. Alright, so hopefully that helps, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.